What's happening, you guys? Working on my truck here and been experiencing a clicking noise in the window function, if you'll hear this. That right there, that click, hear that? Been bothering me for a while, and turns out it's not that serious of a deal. See if I can get you a view of it here. The wires down in there not easy to see. Hold on one second. Alright, down inside with the window down, of course, see the wires that are coming from the switches, the door switches there? There you go. Those are very stiff wires, and if they are bowed out too far, they will touch the bottom of the window support mechanism. And when you move the window up or down, those wires will be touching what will become the bottom of the window as it slides up. So, not that difficult to access, actually. If you'll just, all this is just clipped on down around through here. If it will focus, hello. So, you know, you may have to use some kind of hard plastic, or, you know, just be careful. Be careful with that. You can pop this open, if I can get it one-handed, like so. See, it's just clipped on these guys here. Anyway, then gently pull it all out. See all the wires right here? These wires, if they are bowed out too far on the other side in there, when you roll the window up or down, the wires will be touching the glass. And when the window gets, you know, up to about here, as far as the bottom of the window, as it moves up, it will touch these wires and will make that clicking sound. So it's nothing electronic or nothing major. What I'm going to do is just with some zip ties, I'm going to better secure these wires so that they'll be closer in this way. Hopefully they will not touch the window, because I've already tested this. If this is completely out, your switch holder, watch the difference here when I move the button as far as moving the window, because see, the wires are all pulled in this way. Watch this. No clicking sound. Okay, so that tells me it's nothing more than these wires are touching something farther back in there. So they need to be secured better. So I'm just going to zip tie them to these connectors here, just so that they'll stay in this way. And that should fix the problem. Let's find out. Okay, all I've done now is, with some zip ties, bring the wires to the connectors here so that hopefully they won't stick out so far on the other side of the door panel. Alright, so now I'll put it back in and let's try it out. Alright, we've got the little panel put back in place here. All you do is push it in. It's very simple. You know, there's just clips, random clips scattered throughout there, and you just gently push it back in place. Very simple, no tools necessary. Alright, now let's test it out. No more click. That was bothering me since I bought this used truck a few months ago. So there you have it. And I'm going to do another one on the door locks that were giving me a problem. That'll be on the next video. Subscribe, like, follow, blah, blah, blah. See y'all later.